Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 6th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far, but it's a great Saturday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the U.S. Satellite imagery across the lower 48. As you can see, you can still see the subtropical jet moving across Mexico to southern Texas into the northern Gulf, then across the southeastern U.S. You can see it kind of just continue to plume of moisture, continue to just ride up in this area here. We see a little clipper system here that's coming across the Ohio River Valley, portions of Minnesota down to Iowa, fixing to move into portions of Illinois. Also got another little clipper moving across Indiana to Ohio. This little clipper system here will continue to dive on out down toward the mid-Atlantic region. Could bring some snow to portions of North Carolina, maybe portions of South Carolina. Could possibly. Some of the models are hinting at that, but right now we're just going to go with just mainly rain right now. But something could turn out to be a little bit of snow across portions of northern South Carolina if you live north of I-20. So something we'll keep an eye on and see what happens. A little bit of scattered activity around New Brunswick, more across Canada, and you can see more Pacific Northwestern activity moving into Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, stretching down toward portions of Kansas areas as well. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. And we're going to start off with your local forecast for your Sunday. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel as we continue to roll forward. Alright, and also make sure you subscribe also if you have not, so that way we can continue to grow my channel, because I want to grow my channel to over 1,000 subscribers hopefully soon. So if somebody can help me do that, I greatly appreciate it. Alright, we got snow flying from portions of New Brunswick to Maine to New Hampshire to New York State, up around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Michigan to Illinois, to northern Ohio to northern Pennsylvania. Mixed precipitations from portions of southern Pennsylvania to western North Carolina, Virginia, Kentucky to southern Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio and Kentucky region as well. More snow in Minnesota to Iowa to the Dakotas, Nebraska, portion of eastern Montana, eastern Wyoming, southern Wyoming, northern Colorado, western Wyoming, portion of Montana, Idaho. More mixed precipitation in areas of western Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. You got few pockets of heavy snow in Washington and Oregon State, with shower activity there as well in northwestern California. Alright, we got shower activity from Tennessee to North Carolina to South Carolina to Georgia, back to Louisiana. Thunderstorms and showers for the eastern Gulf to the Florida Keys, also the western Atlantic coastal waters, off the Florida coast, northwest Bahamas and much of Florida, Florida Keys. Shower activity in the coastal waters off the South Carolina coast and North Carolina coast as well. Otherwise, big dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, let's move on to your Monday forecast now, and it's going to roll out something like this here. Should roll out here. Okay, well, we got some heavy rain, flash flooding in portions of Washington and Oregon State. Got some heavy snow there as well. Northern Washington State, northern Idaho, northern Montana. Mixed precipitation also for Washington State to Idaho to Montana to Idaho, eastern Oregon, portion of Montana, southern Montana, western Wyoming, and southeastern Idaho as well, and also eastern Montana through North Dakota. And got some freezing rain there as well, and also shower activity up in portion of Idaho, Washington, Oregon State, coastal waters. Some snow over southern Wyoming, northern Colorado. More snow in North Dakota through Wisconsin, Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior, over toward Michigan region as well. Got some pockets of mixed precipitation for northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, eastern Maine. More mixed precipitation Virginia to North Carolina, West Virginia, the mountains of western North Carolina, Tennessee, and Kentucky. Shower activity for central North Carolina to South Carolina to Georgia to northern Florida, including the Big Bend area of Florida. Thunderstorms and showers from central Florida to the Florida Keys, Atlantic coastal waters, in the eastern Gulf. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation, and it's rolling out like this here. Alrighty, we got some flood watches and hydro issues in Washington, Oregon State. Coastal flood statements here in California. Some air quality alert for Southern California. We got dense fog advisories over here in Oklahoma and Texas. We've got winter storm warning, winter weather advisories over here in portions of Colorado, also Wyoming, Montana. Got some special weather statements there as well. One county in Wyoming, high wind warning for southeastern Wyoming. Also got some cold weather advisory for northeastern Minnesota. Also some winter weather advisory for North Dakota, stretching into Wisconsin, also Illinois. Also in the areas of Iowa and southern Minnesota with winter storm warnings there in the pink. We have some freezing fog advisories over here in portions of Virginia. And then we got small craft advisory, gale warnings off the coast of Maine all the way down to the Outer Banks of North Carolina and out 20 to 200 nautical miles offshore. Also right over here along the California coast, Washington, Oregon State coast, southern Hawaii and Chain Island with coastal flood statements there also. Also around the Alaska region, small craft advisory, gale warnings, storm warnings, heavy freezing spray warnings there as well. Inland Alaska, we have some cold weather advisory. Also, we have some blizzard warning, wind advisory, special weather statements, and in the purple, winter weather advisory for you guys. Alright, Storm Prediction Center Outlook is going to roll out something like this here, just some general thunderstorms over Florida, stretching from Tampa, Florida to Jacksonville, down toward Tampa and Fort Myers. Otherwise, just general thunderstorm. Could not rule out a severe thunderstorm possible in that area. Alright, big story coming up for the next few days, and also coming up later next week, is this. We have a moderate risk of well below normal temperatures across the Ohio Valley, stretching down into the Tennessee Valley. There's slight risk of very cold temps from areas of Mississippi, Alabama, to much of Florida, to the Carolinas, up to Pennsylvania, southern Ohio, and also back in Illinois and Iowa and Missouri. This is from 12:14 to 12:16, and the moderate risk is from 12:14 to 12:15. So, alrighty, and also we have a moderate risk of very cold temperatures up here in eastern and southeastern Alaska, and slight temperature for below normal for 12:14 to 12:17 over central and eastern Alaska as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care, and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.